Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here looking at Disney. Have a few shares here in Disney. Been acquiring them with cash covered puts. You can see my average price here is a little higher than it should be. So I'm dollar cost averaging down. I'm down to about $115 a share or so for these. But you can see it's still a substantial loss. That's not good. So I did another cash covered put because I really like Disney still, like Marvel, their movies, the parks, all that jazz, Star Wars, you know. So what I want to do is I want to try to roll this out to the next monthly expiration and see if we can make some money on it in the process. Okay, so that's not bad. All right, let's not get too greedy here. I'm going to go a little higher. I'm going to go 118 and see how we do. I expect this is about the bottom for Disney, about 80 bucks or so. Now, it looks like I got executed pretty quickly, wasn't greedy enough. So let's look at our position again. All right, now we can see we still have the $85 put here in Disney expiring in October on the monthly expiration. Be sure you guys tune in, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you join so you get all my real-time stock trades. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.